Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Leek Family Farm. So today's video we're gonna make an egg roll, the famous dish in the Philippines, and we call it lumpia. So I already rolled some lumpia here, and I'm not finished yet. So the wrapper that I use for the egg roll is this one, and this is really good for lumpia. And I already have a meat. Let's see that meat for the inside of this lumpia. So just watch me, guys. Oh, I forgot. Over in the Philippines, when they seal the lumpia or egg rolls, they use water, but I don't use water. I use eggs so that it will seal the lumpia really good. So here it is, and then I have a bunch of eggs, so I'm not worried about it. So here we go, guys. It's summertime here. We have cows, so even though our house is closed, we have flies inside the house, because every time we open the door back and forth, the stinking flies are very sneaky to come inside my house. So if you can see there, I'm sorry, but I did not let them to land in my lumpia meat. I already made 50 already. So I'm making lumpia egg rolls because my kids and the grandkids like this lumpia. So I made them for to eat, because tomorrow we're going to celebrate my my son's birthday. So this is their favorite lumpia. And also tomorrow if you can see at the back, I have a bunch of clothes to fold. Behind, those are my second batch, because we have so much work around our farm, and then the kids are in school and I'm the only one that's left in the house. My husband just got home from Texas, fighting wildfires, so maybe it will get better. But at least they're clean, not dirty. I put them in my couch. It's full, and I call it Mount Everest. I hate folding clothes. It's not my favorite chores in the house. So today I took the kids to school this morning, got our eggs, and we have traveled to other house. The belt don't want to run, so there's still 5,000 eggs in house too. And then I come home, fix my lunch, and then after I eat my lunch. I went to school to pick up my kids, and then making this egg rolls, and here it is. Multitasking. I don't know if y'all are familiar with this. This is a milk powder. This is from the Philippines. So my cousin brought me this yesterday. She brought me a lot of goodies from the Philippines. So she knows that this is my favorite. This is what I do. This is my favorite, to eat it raw. But it's yummy. These are my snacks, guys. I'm almost done. My allergies is too bad. I have sinus congestion right here, and then a little cough, because in our farm we have so many ragweeds, or all kinds of pollens, and if you breathe all of them, it's not good. You'll get sick. But I don't have a choice, because I live in the farm. I live in the country. We're too far in the city. But it's okay. But it'll be over pretty soon. It's really hard to sing if you have sinus congestion, especially at the church. I'm a member of a worship team in our church. Can't sing a little high. I just sing low. So I only have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wrapper left, and I still have a few. Probably I can make more 25 lumpia rolls, but I'm out of wrapper, so I'm gonna finish this one, and then probably I will text my sister if she have a lumpia wrapper. I will finish this tomorrow for Sunday. Our alarm system just called me twice, but my husband and my kids are there, so I am not gonna acknowledge her through my phone, or not worried about it, because my husband and my kids are in the chicken house. They were gathering eggs, fixing the belt. I need to mute 2 more. Last wrapper, and I'm done for tonight. Done. So this is all that's left. So I'm gonna finish to roll this tomorrow night, and then here's the egg roll that I made today. So I made 100. I will put these to our freezer and then cook it tomorrow for my son's birthday. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe our channel, and don't forget to like and share and comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.